Alright, in the stunning conclusion, this third part of our ill-fated expedition to Sipalay, we check out Sulu Sunset Resort, which I can't recommend enough, and we also check out a local cave. I think part of me is still in that cave somewhere. Check it out. So this is Sulu Sunset Beach Resort. This is where it all began for me here in Sipalay. And actually, I had some friends of mine who didn't believe that I was actually in the Philippines 5 years ago. So I actually took a proof of life video, or proof of location photo, which I'll put up. Boy, was I big back then. I was a little hefty. And if you're coming to Sipalay and you need air conditioning, you can stay at Takatuka or Sugar Beach House or whatever. But make sure you come here to eat, because the food here is delicious. Now, if you're hardy and you want a real tropical ambiance, Sulu Sunset is for you. And you can see how cheap it is. Cottage, 2 single beds, $690. Cottage double bed, $1090. Hot shower, fan. Bungalow double bed is $1490. These are really cheap prices. Bungalow family, which is huge, $1790. And the owner is German, and he's a very nice man. And his wife is a fantastic cook. And yeah, I think the first time I came here, I stayed 4 days, 3 nights. And as you can see, he's got kids. Because it's low season, so he basically turned the dining area into a big playground. He's got kids running around. Life is good, man. And even though they don't have scooters and stuff here, somebody found a way to get this Honda Wave in. By the way, the Honda Wave is the most widely mass-produced motorcycle in human history. You see them all over the place. And sometimes you don't recognize them because they're so old that the body panels have rotted away. And all you see is like the skeleton of it, the frame. All right, so we're gonna get something to eat now. Whew. There's people everywhere. All right, so we just ordered breakfast. They have a pool table too. Look at all the kids stuff everywhere. There's so many kids running around, it's crazy. So we'll take a quick tour of the property here at Sulu Sunset. Now, he actually established this 18 years ago. And at the time, the beach was pretty much deserted. And here's the pizza oven. In high season, that thing's going, making fresh pizza. And at the time, there was no electricity. So for the first 2 years, the place ran on generators. These are the little cottages. This is where I stayed, first time I came here. And the larger bungalows are over here. And everything is just nicely landscaped. It's lush. Got a lot of rain here because it's low season. And yeah, oh, I think this is the one. I think we stayed in this one, or maybe this one. I'm not sure. Oh, surfboards. Nice. Surfboards. Definitely. Oh, and they got kayaks over there. Looks like sailboats. Those look like those sunfish sailboats. So yeah, this is a big property. And after 2 years, they got electricity. None of the units are air conditioned, but if you're coming here in high season, which is like December, January, February, that time, you don't really need it because it's cool here. And the property goes all the way to the back. And you got a nice breeze usually. You got a hammock. You got the spigot, you have to have that for your feet. And it's all NEPA construction. And there's all kinds of papers over there. Let's keep walking around. And they got the big family bungalows. And you get to fall asleep every night to the sound of the ocean, to the waves lapping, or in this case, beating upon the shore. That's what I listened to all last night because the Tropical Depression was going through. And we might be going up to a mountain, I'm not sure. So this is one of the family bungalows. These things are big, spacious. Got ceiling fans and walk fans. If you need to get some coconuts, just go up there. You gotta be careful. Coconuts kill more people in the Philippines than anything else. And yeah, it's just nice, man. It's a nice tropical getaway. And you can see these nets. Well, I don't know if you can see them in the camera, but the whole front of Sulu Sunset is screened by these giant nets. And that's because there's so much detritus and leaves and stuff blowing in from the offshore winds that they have to keep that away. Otherwise, everything just here gets inundated with leaves. And it is low season. And here's the gate. Oh, I remember this. To go out. And they usually got hammocks set up out here. All the vegetation is cleared away in high season. And they got lounge chairs and stuff out there. You can just chill out, read your Kindle, and enjoy life, man. That's what it's all about. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna go eat. We're gonna get something to eat. And as you can see, it's still cloudy. We'll see what happens. Here comes the owner's daughter. This is the owner's daughter. Hello, just doing a tour, video tour of the property. It's very nice. And they got swings if you need to swing. And you can see the nets here. Some of them have been patched. And there's a little shower if you need to take a shower. And we're back at the Resto Bar. So 18 years ago, 2000, he came here and decided quickly to build a resort. Sulu Sunset. There was Sulu Sunset and that was one other resort for the longest time. And now this is one of the most popular secret getaways, although it's not secret anymore because it's on Philippine Dreams, for people. And it's nice. Waiting for breakfast. And our intrepid tour guide has brought us by a little cave. I don't know how the light's gonna be here. And she said it wasn't that big, and it's not, but it's still pretty cool. All this old lava stone. Fire and water. That's what made the Philippines. Fire and water. Some stalactites, mites, I'm not sure. And you can go swimming, but I'm not going swimming in there. That's kind of scary. All right, so this is what it looks like. The bottom of the cave. I don't know how the lighting is, but there's a little portal of light. Pretty cool. Yeah. Limestone. Yeah, it's a column. A stalactite and a stalagmite come together. Makes a column. This is all, a bat just flew by. This is all limestone, I'm pretty sure. Wow, what's further back there? I don't want to know. Maybe there's some Thai kids. Maybe the Thai kids are down there. They've been rescued now, so you can make, it's not too soon. Wow, it's down there. Oh wow, look. Yeah, somebody wrote their name. That's nice. But all the water coming down brings limestone, calcium, whatever it is. It makes this really cool. It's like something out of Alien. Stuff always reminds me of stuff from that Alien. Oh, you got a flashlight. Oh, you can go swimming down there. A little pool down there. And there's bats flying all around up there. Oh yeah. Groovy, thank you for bringing us here. This is really cool. Right. This morning I wake up and Lynn tells me that she had a dream last night about being a walk-walk. And she was employed. Walk-walks are those flying disembodied heads with wings and arms. And but she was working. She had a job. She was painting roofs as a walk-walk, which I thought was a pretty interesting dream here in the Philippines. There's another pool back here. This isn't going to show up at all on video. I'm scared. Let's get out of here. Cool, man. Cool. Yeah. Ooh.